I have to talk today about this part of our body. Some stuff that we have in our body needs to be moved or modified or do something about it. Like we have thyroid glands, it's easy, it's over there, we check them. If there is any cancerous, we check them out. Nice and easy. You touch it, it's cancerous or not. Then it comes to prostate. They put this prostate, I don't know who did that, they put this prostate someplace. It's very difficult and it's hard to get into it. You have to go to a doctor and the doctor has to put his gloves on, and then you have to bend down, and then the guy with the gloves, he puts it and he's trying to look for it, and it's right over there. And also it's a bad location too. What happened when you have to go to the bathroom, when it gets enlarged, so what happens? When it gets enlarged, it closes the flow of the liquid to come out. And you have to sit for sometimes, 1 minute, you have to sit or stand up and waiting for these glands to shrink, and then you can go and have you can empty your bladder. So it doesn't. Why they put it over there to begin with? I don't understand. They should put it someplace in the, next to the chest, and then you look at it, and should have a blue or yellow or red. Like a blue, you look at it, it should be right above below the heart, or someplace is easy. You can unbutton the shirt and it's right there. And you look at it, it's right over here. And you look, and then you say, oh, okay, let me see your prostate. Yeah, this is good. So you still have a blue mark on it. So when it's blue, that means you're healthy. So you don't have to worry about it. We can check it ourselves. Why do we have to go for rectal exam? It's a pain in the neck. And so also then you just look, if it's a yellow, you say, if something's wrong. So you go check it out. When it's red, is definitely something wrong when it's red. But this way we can figure it. We have to go some genetically change that. Take that prostate from that particular area and put it in the front. That's my suggestion.